Hey friends, how to create a simple mobile application on the Python language. Today we will create an application which will congratulate people. For example, this application, add name, Larry, congratulate, happy birthday, Larry. Let's create the new project. I make it in PyCharm, new project, birthday app, create, new window, and our project created. Clear comments, and let's write the code. For mobile application we need a class. Class happy birthday with parameter app. We haven't app parameter. We need app from Kivy library. Let's install it. Go to the terminal, write pip install Kivy. Enter. That's all. And now we can import app from Kivy. Okay, let's add column and let's create build function with self parameter in which we will create our interface. Here we need initialize our happy birthday class and run it. Firstly, let's create window with grid layout and let's import grid layout from Kivy. Grid layout was imported. Let's create number of columns in our window. Self window columns is 1. Elements will be vertically. And let's return our window. Check it. We have our window, but it is empty. Let's fill it by elements. For this, write self window dot add widget. What the widget? Widget is image imported from Kivy library from Kivy UI. It's okay. Then create new folder, new directory, name for example source, enter. Then click right button to source and open in Finder or in your file manager. Here we need to download image which you want to use in your mobile application. I download image for our application and we see this image in source directory. Next, return to our code and write source is equal, then our directory, its source, and then file name animals.png. Let's check. We run. We have error because I make a mistake. Source. If you have any problems, restart. And we have our image. Next, let's write what user can do in this application. For this, let's add label variable and is equal label from our Kivy library, Kivy UI. Okay, let's create text for it. Text, for example, add name to congratulate. Check. We haven't our text because we need to add it to window. Write self window add widget with label. We run it. We have our text, but we can edit it. For example, we can edit font size. For this, write font size is equal 48. And color. Color is equal, for example, orange. Check it. And we have big orange text. Move on. Next we need text input field in which user can add name. For this write self input name, for example, it's our variable, is equal text input from our Kivy library. It was inputted. Let's show it on the screen. Self window, add widget, self input name. We run. We need parentheses because it is function. Restart. We have our field, but it is not attractive. Let's edit it. Let's add arguments. We can decrease height of our field. For this write size hint is equal 1, and here we add percent of our primary height. It will be 20%. Next, make that our text will be in one line. For this write multi-line is false. And let's add padding, because now our text without paddings. For this padding is equal 20 pixels. We run and we have paddings from top, from left. Move on. Next we need a button to congratulate a person. For this write self button is equal button method from our Kivy library. Let's add parameters. First it will be text, for example, congratulate, and let's add our button in our mobile application. Write self button and we run. I want to change height of our button and color of our button. Add size hint is equal 1 and, for example, 30% from primary height. And background color of our button the same as the color of our text. Let's check. And we have different colors. Color of text not similar as a color of button. To make our button orange, let's add background normal parameter is empty. Check. It's okay. And the last we need to realize logic of our application when user add name, then user press the button, and this text must be changed. Let's bind our button, self button, bind on press will be start the function change text. Let's create this function. I copy it, and here create function change text with self parameter, and here we take our text from label, write self label dot text is equal, for example, happy birthday, then read name from text input field, write self input name text, and let's write exclamation mark. Let's check. Add the name, for example, Elon, congratulate, and we have error because change text function takes one argument but two were given. We must know that we need instance argument. Let's try again. For example, Sergey, congratulate, and we have a new text. Our application works. If you want to make an APK file to install it on your phone, write me in comments and I'll make the video about it. See other videos on the channel. Good luck and goodbye.